大家好，今日係5月27號星期二。今日咧港股開市係下跌嘅，恒生指數跌65點，國企指數跌26點，科技指數跌27點。咁啊，美團嗰個主席王興啊話要不惜一切代價捍護個市場份額。咁啊，股價跌4.95%，令指數跌57點。咁啊，汽車股繼續跌啦，比亞迪跌1.64%，令指數跌14點。阿里巴巴跌0.77%，同埋騰訊亦都跌0.77%，令指數跌13點啊。咁啊，開市之後咧，就港股係由跌轉升嘅，咁就有啲中概股上升啦，中國移動啦、建設銀行啦、中國銀行啦，同埋醫藥股上升，石藥升，中信製藥同埋漢森製藥都升5% 左右，係升幅最大嘅3隻藍籌。咁啊，除此之外咧，就係零售股升，就華潤啤酒升3%，咁啊Budweiser上亦都上升，仲有 ANTA 就安踏體育同埋李寧都上升。咁啊，恒生指數上晝曾經升100點，但係咧就收市咧就係上晝收市一跌41點，國企指數跌25點，科技指數跌29點，成交1114億元。下晝早段就變化不大，比亞迪跌2.9%，吉利跌2.95%，京東跌2.5%，拖累到港股下跌。但係接近尾段嗰時咧，美團上升啊，美團升2.1%，令指數升25點。港交所升2.8%，令指數升23點啊。咁啊，其他就係騰訊咧都上升嘅，收市恒生指數咧就升99點，國企指數升32點，科技就升24點，成交2033億元。美團由跌轉升，帶動港股由跌轉升。Hi everyone, today's May 27th, Tuesday. The market opened lower this morning. Hang Seng Index opened down 65 points. Exchange Index down 26, and then Tech Index down 27 points. Meituan's chairman Wang Xing declared that it will try everything possible to defend its market share. Meituan fell 4.95% to lead the losers for 57-point loss. BYD lost 1.64% for 14-point loss, and then Alibaba lost 0.77% for 13-point loss. On the other hand, the China concept stocks rose. China Mobile, CCB, BOC, ICBC rose. Pharmaceutical shares rose. CSPC, Sino Biopharm, Hansoh Pharmaceutical all rose 5%. To become the 3 top gainers. The retail stocks also rose. CL Beer rose 3%, and Budweiser also 3%, and then ANTA Sports and Li-Ning also rose. Hang Seng Index turned positive in mid-morning, but turned to negative at the morning's close. Hang Seng Index closed the morning down 41 points, Exchange Index down 25, and Tech Index down 29 points. Turnover was $111.4 billion. The market was a little changing in early afternoon. BYD lost 2.9%, GD lost 2.9%, and JD lost 2.5% to drag down the market. Then in late afternoon, the market turned from negative to positive because Meituan turned from loss to gain 2.1% for 25-point gain. Hong Kong exchanges rose 2.8% for 23-point gain, and the AIA also rose. And Hang Seng Index closed the day up 99 points, Exchange Index up 32, and Tech Index up 24 points. Turnover was $203.3 billion. Meituan rebounded to lift the market from loss to gain.